Alright, we're being asked to evaluate and correct to one decimal place the following expression. 1.25 times 0.025 divided by 0.05. As with anything, there are many ways to solve a problem like this, but if you were asked to solve this without a calculator, the way I would approach it is to recognize that numbers such as 0.05 can be written as 5 divided by 100. Or you could write it as 50 divided by 1000, and so on. So with that knowledge in mind, let's try to write this equation in a manner that makes it easier for us to understand. We could write this whole expression as follows. In order to simplify the top part, let's multiply 0.025 by 1000, and by doing that we're going to end up with 1.25 times 25 on the top. Since we multiply the top by 1000, let's multiply the bottom by 1000 times 0.05. So as you can see, we can simplify the bottom again, and we would write that as 1.25 times 25 divided by 50. Repeating this process, we can multiply the 1.25 times 100 on the top and do a similar thing to the bottom, and we would end up with 125 times 25 on the top divided by 100 times 50 on the bottom. Before we even go any further, we can see opportunities to start simplifying things. Since we're trying to solve this without a calculator, let's try to keep the denominator of this expression as a multiple of 10. And in order to do that, I want to get rid of this 50 and maybe replace it with a 10 or 1 or 100 or something like that. So one way to do that is to divide the top and the bottom by 5. And if we do that, we end up with 125 times 5 over 100 times 10, which is 1000. Now we're able to multiply the top and get 625. And the bottom still remains 1000. This can be written as 0.625. Now, this question is asking us to evaluate and correct to one decimal place. And so in order to do that, we are only allowed to accept one decimal place. And in this case, since the next digit is a 2, we don't have to round up. And so the answer to this question is 0.6.